Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.
Mari Giorgadze, General Director of Badagoni, summarizes the results for vintage 2023 and notes that the company increased its production capacity this year. The vintage 2023 was successful. Badagoni increased the production capacity by 25% and the amount of the processed grapes totaled to 8,000 tubes at the moment. Despite the bad weather, we are satisfied with grape quality, which is also reflected on wine, says the General Director of Badagoni. The company Badagoni combines up to 400 hectares of vineyards in the microzones of Kakheti, although it also cooperates with local wine growers and collects grapes from them. It should be noted that the annual production of the company amounts to 12 million bottles of wine. The Georgian company Meama, producing capsule coffee and tea, will start operating in the international market. Meama Executive Director Temur Bostoghanashvili spoke about the company's future plans in TV program Business Week. As he mentioned in an interview with Giorgi Sakadze, the company has developed a franchise model within the framework of the project. The first representative office of Meama will be opened in Azerbaijan. In December 2023, the company will already enter the German market and later in Australia. The executive director of Meama states that the plans include establishing Meama as a global company. We already have a partner in Azerbaijan and our first representative office will be opened soon. In December, Meama will also enter German market and later in Austria. We work in two directions, west and east. The company will work on raising the awareness of the company as well as presenting the brand and establishing Meama as a global exporting company, says Temur Bostoghanashvili. Wellness resort Bioli is switching to a new mode of operation from November 1. Bioli restaurant hall will become an event space, while daily bookings of the cottages will stop until summer and guests can rent them from 1 month to 1 year. According to Bioli founder Tamas Chedlidze, this regime will continue until new development project of Bioli is finished. We are going to develop the second part of the territory where a large outdoor pool with a glass dome will be arranged, a 60-room wooden eco hotel as well as 4 additional wooden cottages will be built and the lake will be renovated. It's planned to complete the construction works by next July, but I am not sure that it will come out, says Tamas Chedlidze. According to the founder of Bioli, the company will invest $13 million to create new infrastructure. Until Bioli wellness services are restored in Gudauri, they will be available in new branch in Tbilisi, which will also be operational from November. Tamas Chedlidze started creating Bioli Wellness Resort in 2005 with the aim to offer a healthy life industry to the country, for which he has already invested $42 million. Jolie will export its products to the USA for the first time in January. Guram Sukhashvili, the founder of Jolie, stated this in TV program Women's Narrative. The US Food and Drug Regulatory Agency has completed studying of Jolie as a company which produces products for exporting to the USA. The registration process includes several stages, including laboratory analysis, all of which take between 3-6 months. We have passed more than half, and we think that at the end of December or early in January, the first export of Jolie products will be carried out to the United States of America, Guram Sukhashvili says. As the founder of Jolie notes, the demand is quite large, although at the first stage they will send up to 8,000 units of products to the USA. Jolie Products is located in Gudauri. An American partner made the investment to set up the enterprise. Jolie products are made with local raw materials. Campa natural juice producing company is expanding its exporting markets. As the company's exports manager told BMWG in 2023, the number of exporting countries will increase to 12. Last year, the company was positioned in 8 countries. Giorgi Lomtadze says that company's turnover is less due to the decrease in USD exchange rate compared to the last year. We have added new exporting destinations, including Japan, Kazakhstan, Philippines, Dubai. We increased volume in Israel and Saudi Arabia. But due to the decrease in USD exchange rate, the turnover of the company is less compared to the last year. As for the exporting quantities, it's almost the same as last year because we had to increase the price, due to which we lost some customers. To summarize, last year we exported our products to 8 countries. This year, Campa is sold in 12 countries, says the exports manager of Campa. Natia talks about the share of exports and local sales for the company. He explains that around 70% of the production is sold in the local market, while 30% is exported. Hotel Roshe Gudauri will welcome customers in a renovated environment from this season. Hotel manager Meama spoke about this in an interview with BM.G. In the winter season, we are starting to operate with a renovated restaurant based on the fact that foreign vacationers staying in Gudauri ask for Georgian cuisine. We will mainly offer Georgian dishes in the old Georgian style, added Meama. Speaking about the news, the manager of Hotel Roshe Gudauri notes that customers will be able to use the hot outdoor pool in the hotel area during the winter season, as well as they will offer its residents free transportation from the hotel to cable car in Gudauri. The hotel will start operating itself in the high-level segment and offer high-quality services to the customers. As of the current data, the main requests are from Lithuania, Latvia, Poland. Reservations from Israel are completely stopped. Preliminary expectations are not clear, but we hope that by keeping high standards, we will be able to receive visitors and turn the business into profit, said Meama. Hotel Roshe Gudauri opened in 2021 and has 29 rooms, a restaurant, a spa and a pool. A new furniture store, Felice, has appeared on the market, which mainly sells furniture from Turkish manufacturers, but in the case of special order, they can also provide Italian furniture. Customers can find a large selection of premium quality sofas and armchairs, bedroom sets, and interior accessories in the Felice showroom. As the founder of the company, Sopo Gogolashvili, told BM.G, their goal was not only to open a furniture house, but also to create a space that would help people create their desired interior design. There are a lot of furniture stores in Georgia, but the choice is low. People spend major of their time at home, so the answer is simple to the question of how important it is to make this space comfortable. It's within the feeling of inner happiness and coziness, says Sopo Gogolashvili. The shop is located in Tbilisi in Didi Romi at Miriam Mapa Street. They actively cooperate with construction companies. As its founder declares, the main challenge at this stage is to keep individuality. However, the furniture house successfully copes with the challenge and tries its best to meet the demands of customers. Furniture house Felice plans to expand and add new branches in the future. The social enterprise Wigs started production of men's wigs with natural hair for the first time in Georgia. As the founder of the enterprise, Guanta Inasaridze told TV program Women's Narrative, men's wigs will appear on the market from 2024. We will be the first in the men's line. We want to fully satisfy the growing demand in the market with our production. Men's wigs will appear on the market from 2024, and before that, we are waiting for the arrival of latest equipment from China, with which our enterprise will be equipped and its productivity will increase, Guanta Inasaridze noted. According to her, Georgian-made wig prices range from 250 lari to 5,000 lari and are made of natural hair, which allows them to compete with the imported products in terms of price and quality. Wigs Room has been on the market for only 1 year and its sales rate is increasing every month. The social enterprise is located near Tbilisi in the village of Kamardreba.
The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.